In this video, I'll show you how to fix Facebook page not found problem. If you're trying to search for any Facebook page but it's showing that page not found, there may be a technical problem. Refresh to try again, then here's how you can actually fix the problem. But before I start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, to not fix the problem, the very first thing that you have to do is simply go and press and hold the Facebook application from your phone and then tap on App Info. And from App Info, we just need to tap on this Clear Data button at the bottom right and then tap on Clear Cache, tap on OK, and the Facebook app cache will be deleted. Now just get back from here and open up the Play Store. Now go ahead and search for Facebook here. Once you get the Facebook app, go ahead and tap on this, and if you found any pending update, immediately update your Facebook application to the latest version. And once you have updated your device, just need to get back from here and then force close the Facebook application from the background like this and reopen the Facebook application and try to search the page again, and most likely your problem is going to be solved. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.